welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. In my previous video, I told you about how to trade future, using Bybit or Binance. So for recent time, because I have been busy, so I have not been able to record a video on this course. This course is a series. It's a series. If you have watched my previous video, I told you how you can actually use ChatGPT to master crypto trading without paying for any course. So I'm going to continue with this series today, as you can see on my screen. So I am on future trading. I've talked about crypto trading, forms of crypto trading, types of crypto traders, future trading. So there's nothing you want to learn using ChatGPT that you not learn. Now currently I'm using Bybit to trade, but you can use Bybit or Binance. So you can also use other platforms that are reputable, but I would advise you use either Bybit or Binance. If you are from Nigeria, you can use Bybit or Binance. Now let me now go to my ChatGPT. Let me go to my ChatGPT. So where is okay? This is my ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, go and download it. This is it from Play Store. Download it. It's not difficult to download. So now I'm going to wait for it, and I'm going to wait for this video to load. You can see get value from this video, so channel and share this. Now that I'm on ChatGPT, can do with this artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence is the new trend now. It's the new trend in global technology. It's the new trend in marketing. It's the new trend in everything that we do in our world today. So you cannot do without this ChatGPT if you want to make your work easier for yourself. Now let me type this and ask ChatGPT to tell us what future trading means. Now just type, what is future trading? So when you type it into ChatGPT will give you some info. You can see future trading is a type of investment where you agree to buy or sell an asset at a specific price on a future date, even if the actual trade happens later. Here's a simple program. You can see ChatGPT will give you details. So now what I normally do is that, for those of you that don't know how to trade by yourself, you can actually learn this trading when you join my WhatsApp group. You learn how to trade this crypto trading. Though I'm going to explain all these things in this course. So this is a practical course. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know about future trading, how to trade future on Bybit, so how to do risk management, how to take a profit, how to take stop loss, all those important things that you need to do know. Now as you can see on my screen, that ChatGPT gave us a simple word breakdown. So say you are basically making a bet on the future price of something like Bitcoin, oil, gold, or a stock index. If you think the price will go up, you go long. If you think the price will go down, you go short. That's sell. You don't need to own the asset itself. You just trade a contract that tracks its price. For example, you open a BTC USDT future position at $6,000 per Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up to $2,000 and you close the trade, you profit. If it drops to $50,000, you lose. So that is just about future trading. So future trading is very technical. As a beginner, if you want to trade future trading, you need to have some basic knowledge. Some basic knowledge of trading, like just like I've said, how to take your profit, how to enter, how to exit trade, how to your entry and exit are very crucial in the future trading. I'm going to be showing all these things practically. If you have watched my previous video, I've recorded some video about future trading. So I'm going to continue on this video. So I wouldn't want this video to be too long. So now, when you come to this chatgpt, you can see that chatgpt is what is giving us what example on Bybit. You can see how Bybit platform is the best for you to trade. If even those that do even this as in the trading platform that is common now that people are used to is Bybit. You can see. So you can just ask ChatGPT anything you need to know on trading. You can see he said, would you like me to explain how to start future trading safely on Bybit or Binance step by step for beginners? You can see. So this ChatGPT is awesome. You need to come and use it if you don't understand anything, or if you are an experienced crypto trader and you are having difficulty in some aspect of your crypto trading, you can come and ask ChatGPT to teach you. You can see. You don't need to buy any course. You don't need to worry yourself. This world is going into AI now. Everything is AI. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. So you can just say okay. You can say yes. You can say if you want to respond, you can say yes. Just type yes and click yes. You will see how it will give you. You can see as a beginner, you can see perfect. Let's go step by step. Here is a beginner friendly guide on how to start future trading safely on Bybit. You can see that you need to come and use this AI to learn a lot. You can see, understand what you are trading before you start. Know that future trading is high risk. You can see you can lose your full balance quickly if you misuse leverage. You can see that most people find it difficult to trade future. Why? Because the future trading is high risk. Because of why? Because of leverage. When you use high leverage, when you use a leverage, so what my leverage is, you are leveraging. Maybe you have $100 now. If you use 10 times leverage, that is a potential profit and loss for you. So the higher your leverage, the higher your risk. Why? The higher your profit. So when the leverage is low, the lower your risk, the lower your profit. So that's it. When you lose, if you use low leverage, like this one now, say ChatGPT is giving us what? It's giving us some advice here that you start with what? Low leverage. You can see 1 time to 5% maximum at first. So at first, if you want to start trading as a beginner, use 1 time to 5 times at maximum. Then set what? Stop losses to limit your risk. So we need to understand all these terms: low leverage, average, high leverage, stop loss, take profit, all those things. You can see step 2: create and verify your account on Bybit, on Binance. You can see before you trade on this platform, you need to have a verified account. You can see fund your account. You can see you need to fund your account. So I'm going to show you all this. You can see you need to choose a future pair. Set leverage. Be careful. You can see we have over 100. Even leverage is up to 100 times. You can see the ChatGPT is even giving us analysis of how to use this leverage. You can see So place your trade. You can see you have 3 types of order you can use to trade. You can see you can use market order, that is current price. You can use limit order, that is when you are saying okay, the buy when the price goes down, you buy for you, or when the buy goes up. You can also use stop order. You can see. So if you get value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to actually use Bybit to trade future. Thanks for watching. Bye.